July monthly predictions. 2021. Libra. General. Libra will have a good month since the planets are favoring your happiness, good things in destiny, and gains. But the planets can create some issues for you in terms of your relationships with your spouse, family members, and in-laws, so try to avoid harsh speech. It may also make you take on lots of responsibilities at home. There can be some misunderstandings at home. You can have good fortune this month. The planets will make you creative and intelligent and very fortunate. You will have good relations with your kids, and this will bring great opportunities in your career, while your hard work and dedication will bring wealth. You will get great success in studies, and health can be good. Career. This month can be good for you professionally, as the planets will be bringing some new projects to your work table. The planets can make you fortunate and lucky through your communication. You can expect good gains now and may even get a promotion. There may also be some people at work who are supportive of you, and they may help you out with professional decisions. The planets will help you use your intelligence and creativity in your job and excel at it. You can be successful now. Your boss may like your performance and can get you promoted. Love relationships. Love may be your focus this month, and the planets will make you take wise decisions in love matters and relationships. If you are single, you will find love in your friends' circle. You and your partner may both go on spiritual trips together. The positions of the planets mean that you will be close to your spouse and will make future plans with him/her. There may be no arguments this month, but you need to focus your attention on home. Try to balance work and home. Your bonding with children can improve, as the planets will bring you closer to your children. Divine technique for marital harmony. Venus Puja. Finances. The cash flow will be good for you this month due to planetary positions. There will be no mental stress about not having money, and there will be income through your business. And as you will have luck on your side, you will get some good money coming into your bank account. You may spend some money on your children or family. You may be able to pay off your loans and be debt-free and stress-free. Divine technique to improve your finances. Jupiter Puja. Health. Your health may be good this month, as all the planets are well placed for you this month. But still, it is better to take care of your health. You will feel positive if you do yoga and meditation and chant and pray to God daily. You may go on a spiritual retreat. You have to protect your health by meditating and following spiritual practices. Avoid stress and try to eat nutritious food daily and get plenty of sleep. Health will be good now. Divine technique to improve your health. Saturn Puja. Business. Partnership business seems to present immense luck for you now, as the planets are in favorable positions. The planets will also support the coming of good business partners, especially in your home country, state, city. You may attend conferences and meetings with partners, which can be successful. Travel can bring opportunities as well, but you may feel like spending time at home with your family. Since planets are well placed, they will help you get good business deals. You will get recognition from your customers and business partners, and your business will pick up. Professionals. You may find yourself helping others this month by being in a supervisory role, mentoring your juniors as well as seniors due to planetary positions that make you a natural teacher. Your name and fame will spread everywhere. Your hard work will be rewarded. You are artistic, skillful, talented, and very passionate and creative in your work. Your seniors at work may look at you as a source of inspiration and can give you a promotion. Some of your colleagues may want to gain some knowledge from you on how you do things so well in so little time. Divine technique to improve your career. Sun Puja. Student. Students may find this time good for them with the help of their gurus and teachers, and also since the stars are favoring their success. Students will be bold, creative, and intelligent, and they will shine. Students pursuing arts, music, drama, dance, and any other creative field would need to put in extra effort to see notable achievements. The planets will be giving you good results and can give you excellent opportunities in your education, especially abroad. Divine technique to improve your education. Mercury Puja. Auspicious dates: 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 21, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Inauspicious dates: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 13, 14, 15, 16, 20, 23, 17, 18, 19, and 31.